My people, this is not TMC TV. My name is Emefiele Ajakaye, and as you know, for TMC TV, na today we contain mama, papa, brother, sister, pikin, everybody to make sure say our border country, Nigeria, they better. And you go remember, say for December last year, that's December 2022, we bring you story about Central Bank of Nigeria plan to redesign 200, 500, and 1,000 naira notes. And as the matter be so, people can talk say make them no redesign the naira note, take off say the money no fine for I never would dey into circulation. And right now, we don't bring on another story as the governor of Central Bank of Nigeria, Emefiele, don't talk, say no going back for the January 31st, 2023 deadline for the old naira note. That means after January 31st, 2023, the old 200, old 500, and old 1,000 no go dey use for Nigeria again. That means now the new money that they use. So reports what they get be say the money no dey in circulation. Now make we come straight today to chook mouth with you to tell us you don't see the new naira notes, you don't use them, the money don't dey in circulation reach for Central Bank of Nigeria to ban the former naira notes. Make una chook mouth with us. This na still TMC TV and my name na Emefiele Ajakaye. They say the deadline for the old one na January 31st. You say they achievable. You don't see the new naira note as this.
Me never see the new naira note. When I go bank, go withdraw money. Now old money they give me. How can they say the January 31st that the deadline? That kind of thing no good. May extend Jan. If that's 3 months time, may they take bigger come out because they're supposed to bigger come out before they say stop. You understand me? Now that one not be that one Buhari will come do for us. Yeah, because before they say deadline, now the poor man now they suffer am. Because the big men they don't shock it, they don't get them. I beg, may Buhari extend jam. I mean, I don't say the not 3 months may come out there, but you may just extend jam.
So when last you go back and when last you see this new naira note, you don't since you don't go back, you don't collect new naira.
Me never collect new naira note for bank, whether it's black or red. Oh, me never sell for face. When I go bank, I hold money they give me. I love you talk say now I receive one.
So the old money when they with you now, you don't go back, they go keep them, they go get new naira note now.
I still go back there, still give me old one. Yeah, today again. Make them stay down because if the money won't die, not be my hand won't die put. Me go die for the big man hand.
Money like this one.
I never collect anyone. No one, don't reach my hand. Now old money not in my hand. If yeah, make the money not cost for my hand. I not go a bank. I may go back. I not go back. But I set out to buy, make refund to make the money circulate first so before they bring the new one. Before it go reach our hand.
I never see her for why. We never see. They say small boy will tell the trade market may return. You return what you walk out and say. When they beg, they make they put the dates. May we see money till they go market.
You don't try withdraw for POS or for ATM and old money that they pay you have been a new one.
Old money that they pay, even though this month I go withdraw, old money they pay. We not see new one. I beg they beg government, may they put dates. Would they suffer no money to trade markets?
This new money so.
Yes, I go bank this morning. Now old money now they give me. Now market are from the con. Sure you see me now. My goods now they put. No let MTN now they pay new money and it's 20,000 the limits. That is all. Now old money now they pay for bank, and they should extend it. That is all. Okay.
We dey talk about the new naira note now. CBN don't give deadline January 31st as the deadline. So we dey ask you now, you don't see the money or you don't use them?
Since this new naira note come outside, I never even see them for face. I dey see them for phone. People they post and all of that, but I never see them for my hand. Say I use them. The worst of it is that if you carry the old naira go bank, you want to withdraw for ATM, they will still give you the old naira. They're supposed to distribute the new naira so that it go dey in circulation. Not be ATM say they pay old naira and they say more return the old naira. If you go ATM, they'll still give you the same old naira. Yes, ATM supposed to pay us the new naira, so they use and they do business, they do other things. So would they return the old naira back?
So as this new money no dey in circulation, so as we dey try to talk am, so e no dey people hand. You think say it go affect businesses, it go affect the way people dey do things?
Why it go affect businesses when you don't return all the old naira back to the bank and they don't give you the new naira? It must surely affect the businesses because now money be business now. If you want to do anything, there must be exchange. That's number one. You know, Nigeria, our country is so very corrupt. To the extent after they don't use so many billions, they print money at the end, we know they see the money for eye. And nobody's even saying anything about it. So now the condition we will sell ourselves for Nigeria. So that's why we have to vote wisely this coming election.
Everybody they are aware now, but you know, say as it is now, you dey see the money. We know they see the money, so they ought to just tire person because if you go market now, some women no want sell things for market. Yesterday I go market, some women no gree sell.
Why?
They said if you no get new money, they no go sell for you. But if you go bank, you no go see the money. So the ought to just tell all of us, we dey watch now, maybe there's a bit deadline, maybe deadline will come do extension. But it no make sense.
But CBN governor doctor say no going back. Say una don get up to 1900 days to take change una money, una no gree change.
The 1900 days, the number of days when you go bank, how many Naira note, new Naira note you see? We no see anything. Even their ATM no dey dispense the money. So we took on the ask ourselves, okay, is it that the waiting they try to stop, they call enable the people? Because it be say people they drop money for us, they know what make their feet use that money. But now it be like say some people don't find their way around, don't use that money exchange, and that's why the common masses now know they see money use. From tomorrow, next tomorrow, everywhere go hot because money no go dey. I won't know sabi transfer, I want to transact. So the whole thing no just make sense. Now good intention, but as it can be now, our policy holders don't follow the thing up from the beginning. Make it allow people see the money use. As when they follow bank, they follow bank this end minute now. Bank for don't implement and since money for don't full ground. But now money no dey. Go bank now, you no go see the new Naira note. Collect 20,000 Naira, you go see 2 pieces. I never have the 200 Naira one even worse. You know they even see the 200 Naira one. Now the 500 even try, you go see 1 or 2. So the matter tell person, my brother.
I don use am do transaction, but not as if say the new Naira note say you don full everywhere. Like in a day like this, na only one person fit just give you 500, 1000 at some times. Not as if say maybe if you come encounter in like 10, 15 persons in a day, say you do transaction with them, so they will fit give you like, okay, let me say you counter 15, say 10 persons go fit give you new Naira note. No, but inside that 15, you go hardly see at least only one person fit just give you the new Naira note. So, but even the people, my neighbors who went for ATM to withdraw, they say when they withdraw, you will only withdraw the same old notes that were they said they go to, you know, abandon us from first day of February. So I don't really know whether they abandon it in the sense say they are not going to use it again. But the new Naira note, we are not seeing it anywhere. Everybody is still complaining that the money is not circulated. So I don't really know what the CBN is doing about it. How far they are working effective to make sure that before February 1st that the money will be circulated.
My people, this na still TMC TV. Out today on top the January 31st deadline of the old 200, old 500, and old 1000 Naira note. If you go ATMs around the town, you go see hundreds of people just dey queue just to get this new Naira note. Some of them make chook mouth with us, tell us say even banks no get this money. Reports when they get talk say you go give old money to a bank go give you old money too. ATM they pay old money. How these people can get the new money? If you ask me, now who I go ask? CBN will send directive to people phones. We don't even get the directive say any ATM when they dispense old 200, old 500, old 1000, make them sharply report to CBN. But as the matter they go, the money no even dey people hand. And the deadline is January 31st. We go still monitor the update they give you now. More story about this matter as the matter they unfold. This is TMC TV and my name is Emefiele Ajakaye. Make you remember say your PVC and your power. Not say I'm giving a politician the election day.